ZD411T and ZD611T. Maintaining your printer. This includes cleaning the media path, printhead, Platen, sensors, the installed cutter option as a continuation of the media path, and the installed dispenser option as a continuation of the media path. Do not clean the printhead, Platen, or sensors during this process. Use a can of compressed air to remove any dust or loose media debris from the media well, roll holders, media guides, and movable sensor channel. Use a fiber-free swab moistened in isopropyl alcohol to remove media debris and accumulated adhesive from tighter areas. Use lint-free wipes moistened with isopropyl alcohol to wipe the ridges and the plastic surfaces of the media path. Do not clean the cutter blade. The cutter blade has a special coating to resist adhesives and wear and does not require cleaning. Wipe the ridges and the plastic surfaces of the exit slot outside and the media entry inside of the cutter. Open the door and clean the peel bar, inner surfaces, and ridges on the door. Wipe the roller while rotating it. Discard the wipe. Clean again to remove diluted residue. Use an approved thermal printhead cleaning pen. Do not use the head cleaning pen on the Platen or printer parts. Starting at the center, wipe the printhead towards each outside edge. Rub the pen over the dark stripes several times until clean. Allow the printhead to dry completely. Pull up on the left and right locking bearings to release the Platen. Grasp the locking bearings and pull up to lift the Platen out of the printer frame. Slide the gear and the two bearings off the shaft of the Platen roller. Use a lint-free wipe very lightly moistened with medical-grade alcohol 90% pure or better. Reassemble the Platen. The notch in the Platen gear matches the flat spot on the Platen shaft. Align the Platen with the gear to the left and lower it into the printer frame. Push down on the left and right locking bearings and snap them into place. Gently brush away dust or use an air canister. If necessary, use a dry swab to brush away dust. If adhesives or other contaminants remain, use an alcohol-moistened swab to break it up.